fear after throwing away more than 200 kilograms from her body after years of trying. Tammy Slaton entered the excess skin surgery with anxiety despite being fully prepared. Tammy Slaton, an American reality TV star, once weighed more than 330 kilograms and had to use a wheelchair to move. She became famous through the show 1,000 Pound Sisters, which documented her journey of fighting severe obesity, a condition that caused her to face a series of health problems, including difficulty breathing, diabetes, high blood pressure and the risk of early death. After years of trying and undergoing gastric bypass surgery in July 2022, Tammy has lost more than 500 pounds, more than 226 kilograms. An extraordinary achievement for someone who was once considered incurable. The weight loss journey not only changed her physically but also forced her to face deep psychological crises about herself. Tammy Slaton finally needed to undergo skin removal surgery. In an interview on June 10, she shared her overwhelming emotions after being approved for the important surgery. After 6 years and losing over 400 pounds, I was finally approved for surgery. I had worked so hard for this, and now it was time. I was really excited. I'm pretty sure my face showed shock right away and then overwhelming joy, Slaton, 38, said. At the beginning of the year, Tammy traveled to Pittsburgh to have the surgery with Drive Peter Rubin at the University of Pittsburgh Medical Center. J. She joked that the only thing on her mind was the sandwich, a playful reference to Rubin. But before the surgery, the fear flared up again. I was really nervous about the skin removal surgery because I was afraid of how I would feel about looking at myself without my stomach. I was even more nervous than the gastric bypass because they actually cut out my entire stomach, she said. The 8-hour surgery on January 18 removed more than 15 pounds of excess skin from her chin, arms, and lower abdomen. She was then warmly welcomed home by her siblings Amy, Amanda, Misty, and Chris. I surprised the doctors by healing so well that I was able to go home 4 days early, Slaton said. The emotional moments were captured in the latest season finale of 1,000 Pound. When she started, she was 730 pounds and couldn't walk to the mailbox. Sisters. I'm so proud of her, it's unbelievable, her sister Misty gushed. Now she's down over 500 pounds. Skin removal surgeries, like Tammy Slaton's, are often the next step after significant weight loss, especially for those who were morbidly obese. When the body loses hundreds of pounds of excess fat, the skin, which has been stretched too far, is no longer able to bounce back, causing difficulty moving, infection, and psychological effects. Medically, this surgery requires careful preparation. The patient must maintain a stable weight for at least 6 months and achieve safe cardiovascular, respiratory, and nutritional indicators. According to the American Society of Plastic Surgeons, this type of surgery has a long recovery time and potential risks such as bleeding, infection, or seroma. However, for patients like Tammy, the benefits outweigh: reduced back pain, improved posture, increased mobility, and especially increased confidence in daily life.